Hello guys, today you will see another amazing products of Amazon. Please subscribe our channel, like and share this video. Electric scooter. With a powerful electric motor, natural responsive, body control and smooth braking, the Kivano KO1 Plus series is an incredible riding experience, delivering a long-range battery pack, water resistance, electronics, advanced connectivity, high torque custom motor and advanced material construction. Three-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphones, especially for iPhone 11 Pro Max. Balance your phone manually via balancing arm before using. Proudly presents the updated POHAM gimbal stabilizer. This stabilizer features a newly developed Inception mode that would be able to vertically rotate your phone 360 degree spontaneously when filming, giving you the master-like video making experience. It is the all-in-one tool for storytellers like you. BioLite first generation wood stove gives power to most USB devices, including smartphones, for 20 minutes. Charging with a strong fire gives about 60 minutes. Talk time on most smartphones. During complete combustion, the stove can boil 1 liter of water in just 4 minutes 30 seconds. Camp stove weighs 2 pounds only and is about the same size as a 1 liter Nalgene water bottle. An internal battery to start help to propel the fire before the stove begins to generate its own power. Lenmodo Car Tent. Lenmodo Car Tent is easy to install with one-touch wireless remote automatically fold and unfold. With a remote control, it opens, process takes 8 seconds and total installation process takes 30 seconds. Designed with a folding structure, it is portable to make sure you can use it everywhere when you park your car. Lenmodo Car Tent cloth is made of 210D Oxford with super waterproof and easy to clean up. It lowers car temperature up to 36 degrees. Undertake 35 miles PAR water pressure. 304 stainless steel to anti-rust for the rainy or storm day. The windproof levels is up to wind speed of 30 miles. Please subscribe our channel by tag, like and share this video. Nexa Innovations Park Ride. Built-in drip tray helps prevent water, snow or dirt from reaching the floor. Reflective strip for increased visibility, 11 inches wide and 21.5 inches long to fit all passengers. Anti-skid tape prevents mat from moving or use corner holes to hard mount. Prevent damage to your garage and belongings, parking perfectly every time. Mighty Mug Mini fits under most single serve machine including Keurig. Smart grip technology grips when you accidentally knock it, lifts naturally and never wears out, carb cup friendly, dishwasher safe, 100% happiness guaranteed policy. Home security, camera, wireless, Wi-Fi. 180 pixels high definition wide angle advanced glass lens combined with 345-degree horizontal and 115 vertical rotation range create a complete 360 coverage. Advanced night vision with the add built-in 940 nm infrared LED bats extend the viewing distance to 3 meters in pitch dark with no light pollution, so your baby or pet will not be disturbed by LED glare. Responsive and advanced microphone with a built-in anti-noise filter for a clear two-way audio experience. Intercom mode, one party to talk and listen at a time, or the hands-free mode, both parties talk and listen freely for maximum flexibility.